In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Page Builder Thrive Architect with All-in-One SEO. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. Did you know you can use All-in-One SEO right from within the Page Builder Thrive Architect? Well, you can. If you have Thrive Architect installed, the very next step is to install All-in-One SEO. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you have All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the post section of our website. I'm going to open up the second post here called The Most Amazing WordPress Image Compression Plugins. You can just click to edit it, but that will open up the block editor. So instead, I'm going to click Edit with Thrive Architect. And here's our page in the Thrive Page Builder. Here's where we can edit our page. And I want to show you how you can get into all of the All-in-One SEO settings. So if you've used All-in-One SEO in the past with the regular WordPress block editor, or perhaps with another page builder like SeedProd or something, you know that you can access a lot of the All-in-One SEO settings right on page. With this integration with Thrive Architect, you can do the same thing with Thrive. So there's two ways to get into the All-in-One SEO settings. The first one is there's a settings icon here for page settings. There's a WordPress settings icon here, and then there's the All-in-One SEO settings icon here. So if you click that, this will open up the All-in-One SEO settings. The second way is simply to click the orange All-in-One SEO button up top here, and that will open up those same settings. So any of the All-in-One SEO settings that you could access in the regular WordPress block editor, you can access here in Thrive Architect. The one area that might cause confusion is if you're on your page and you scroll down below the content, in the regular WordPress block editor, you can edit your page title and description below your content. In Thrive Architect, if you want to get to that section, you click on the orange button up top or on the All-in-One SEO icon on the right here and click on General. And then if you click Edit Snippet, this is that same information you would have seen below your page in the regular WordPress block editor. So we can do all the same things we could do in that regular WordPress block editor, like edit our post title and our post description. So right now I've got my post title set up using the post title, a separator, and the site title. My site title is just demo sites, not adding any value to this post title here. The part we're looking at the top of this modal is the SERP preview. So this is showing us what our listing will look like in Google. So as you can see with the dots, it's getting truncated. It's too long. So I'm going to get rid of the site title, and I'm going to get rid of that separator and just use the post title. So we can use any of these smart tags to construct our post title, and we can look at this preview as we're making changes and see how that will look in the Google search listing. So if I wanted to drop in an emoji here, I can do that. If I click the View All Tags link here, I see all of the smart tags that we can use. So if I wanted to keep my post updated with the current year, I could drop that in. So most amazing WordPress image compression plugins available. Smile face emoji 2024. I like that, so I'm going to use that. For the meta description, it's constructed the same way. We can use any of the smart tags here, or we can type in our own meta description. It's using post excerpt, and since I don't have a post excerpt written for this page, it's trying to drop in all of the content of the entire page, which is 20,000 characters out of a max of 160. So that's obviously not what we want. I'm going to wipe that out and just type my own meta description. All right, so I just came up with find out which WordPress image compression plugin is the best in our review of the top 5 plugins, and we can see that here in our snippet preview above. You also have a tab here for social, where you can control how your content is going to appear when it's shared on social media, Facebook and X/Twitter. So let's close out of that. I just wanted to briefly show you how to get into that section, since it is located here in the edit snippet area in Thrive Architect, and not also down below here like it would be in the regular WordPress block editor. I'm not going to show you every single thing that you can do here in All-in-One SEO, because this would be a 2-hour-long video, but I just want to show you where these things are located. So below this general section, we have focus keyphrase. If I expand that, this is where you can add your focus keyphrase by typing it in here, clicking add focus keyphrase. You can also click get additional keyphrases. We have an integration with SEMrush that can give you some more keyphrase ideas. If I click basic SEO here, we have this amazing checklist that pops up and tells you how to work on your on-page SEO. So it's telling me the meta description is too short. My content length is good. No internal links, no external links. So these are all things we can work on. If I click on the title section here, it's saying my title is over 60 characters, so that is too long. And we could fix that by making our title a little shorter. Under readability, it's telling me there's 4 errors on this page. I'm not using rich media like images or videos in the content. There is an image right here. You can see that, so you're maybe wondering why that's popping up. That's because this image was copied in. It doesn't live on this WordPress site, so that's how I could correct that. Paragraph length, it's telling me you're using short paragraphs. As you can see here, if you want more information on any of these things, whether it's positive with a green check mark or something you need to work on with a red X, you just click the little caret and you can get more information. So you can open and close these line items. Sentence length, it's telling me my sentence length is good. I'm using an appropriate amount of passive voice. I'm low on transition words. Consecutive sentences are good. Subheading distribution, not great. I'm not using enough subheadings. And on my Flesh Reading Ease score, I am scoring a 54.7, which makes it a little bit difficult. So all of these things you can work on to improve the on-page SEO of this content, and this is all accessible right from within Thrive Architect. I'm going to close out of this general section. We click on social. We also have direct access to that section I'd showed you earlier on social media. You also have access to our powerful schema generator. So this piece of content is already using article schema, but if I click the Generate Schema button, you can see all of the various types of schema we could put on this page. How-to schema, event schema, course schema, FAQ schema, which can help you score a rich snippet in the People Also Ask section of Google. So all kinds of schema. The schema generator that comes built in with All-in-One SEO is honestly more powerful than many standalone plugins that just do schema generation. If I close out of that, close out of it again here, we also have redirects, so you can access All-in-One SEO's powerful redirect feature. I don't have that enabled yet on this site, but this is where you would access that. SEO revisions, you can check out the history of your SEO. So if you make an SEO change and it has a negative impact on your site, you can come in and undo it. And then under advanced, we have some settings on whether to use the default robot settings, and if this is a canonical URL, we can decide where it's going to go. So if I uncheck those robot settings, let's say we wanted to no index this page, we could stop using the default settings and no index this page. I don't want that. I do want to use the default settings, so I'm going to leave that alone. And just like in the regular block editor, when you're done making changes, make sure to save those changes. With Thrive Architect, we want to click Save Work down in the bottom left to save our changes. If you want more information on how any of these features you've seen in the video work, you can check out our YouTube channel where we have lots of videos on these individual features, or you can go to our website at aioseo.com/features and see all of the features of the All-in-One SEO plugin. So that's how to use Thrive Architect with All-in-One SEO. If you don't already have our awesome All-in-One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this video right here, I'll show you how to use cornerstone content to focus your SEO efforts on the most important content of your website. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.